Hello everyone, my name is Cam, and welcome to another RAMShard Minecraft plugin tutorial. Before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Plugins are a useful tool for your Minecraft server. They allow you to add many different cool features and customizations, such as ranks, game modes, and rules. Today, we will be going over a plugin called BuildMode. This plugin will cancel building, placing, and more on your server. Starting out, make sure you install the plugin first. If you don't know how, look to the top right for the iCard on how to install plugins. After installing the plugin, restart and head into your server. And after joining your server, I will now go over the simple commands for this plugin. The first command toggles the build mode. To do this, type the command \buildMode and then on or off. Do note, since I'm a server operator, it will still allow me to break blocks. You can also toggle build mode for a specific player by using the command \buildMode on or off and then a player name. Then to reload the plugin's config, type the command \buildMode reload. It's that simple. If you have more questions or want to check out this plugin page, I will leave the plugin page link in the description. That is how you can incorporate the build mode plugin on your Minecraft server. Thanks for watching.